Hey everybody, it's me Tara of Fit Foodie Mommy TV, where healthier is made easier. Today we are going to be making granola. Granola is one of my favorite snack treats and always a pantry staple for me. You can add it into your smoothies, in your yogurts, in your oatmeal, or even just eat it on its own. You can of course buy this in some local groceries, but some of those, especially the non-quality ones, tend to have lots of artificial sweeteners in it. So let me show you how you can make a healthier version in just a matter of minutes. To make a granola is very easy. You need just a handful of ingredients. First, we would start with our rolled oats. Next, you will have your mix of nuts. For this one, I have a mix of almonds, cashew nuts, and pecans. You can also add some seeds like pumpkin seeds, which is one of my favorites. I also love adding a bit of sweetness, so I have here dried cranberries and also some coconut flakes. Now we are ready to put our sweetener. For this one, I'm going to be using pure maple syrup. You can also use honey if you like. Next, we add some coconut oil. It's time to mix. Now I forgot to add a bit of salt, which always brings out the flavor, and also about a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And then it's time to mix. You can always use a spatula, or the best way is to use your hands, making sure that the coconut oil and the sweetener gets all mixed up with all of the ingredients. You will then transfer the granola mix into a lined baking sheet, and using a spatula, make sure you spread it well and pressing onto the sheet. This will make it even crispier, and you will really get evenly toasted granola. Now into the oven, about 180 degrees Celsius. You would want to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. So make sure you keep a close eye so it doesn't get too burnt. Now as you can see, our granola is looking so good. It's all crispy and it's cooled down as well. And so it's time to transfer it into a container. I normally use an airtight glass container with a lid. You can also use BPA-free plastic if you like, but I usually prefer glass containers. So using a spoon, just slowly scoop it into the jar. And after that, we just store it in the pantry or ideally in the fridge so it lasts longer. And our granola is now done and it's ready for tasting. So let me show you how I put it all together. I have here some yogurt. So I'm just gonna scoop about half a cup. This is perfect if you like it for breakfast or even just as a snack. I have here some raspberries as well. So I'm just gonna put some granola. And then top it with some raspberries. Or you can just eat it on its own. It's really up to you. It's time to taste. Delicious. It's crunchy, sweet enough, it's a bit of saltiness in it. It's absolutely healthy for you, and it's super easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll put the link to the full recipe down below. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to the Fit Foodie Mommy channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.